Hello, I'm Ray Sharp, Chief Information Officer. I have 33 years in IT background. I've been a CIO for 22 years, and I've really enjoyed working with Integrative Systems. The reason we chose Integrative Systems was because they had the right resources to help us solve the strategic and technology issues we had, also fresh ideas to implement new systems. Integrative Systems came in, helped us design, code, test, and implement new processes in our legacy system. Integrative Systems has helped us improve our workflows and our systems to increase our capacity within the organization. We chose Integrative System based on their track record and history of solving issues. Also, they had the resources that we needed, and then that resource has done a great job of not only augmenting our team, but helping lead us in certain situations. Working with Integrative Systems, they have helped us achieve new technology in many areas of our organization, especially with the new shipping system and implementing that new technology to increase our capacity in the warehouse. This helped us increase our capacity in shipping and also decrease our errors. Working with Integrative Systems has been a partnership the whole time. Any issue that came up, I was able to call, and those might have been issues on our end, not even their issues. We could work something out and make sure that we were working towards an end goal of a long-term relationship. Integrative Systems went the extra mile to help service and help foster that partnership when we were audited for our licenses and found out that to have a third party was going to charge us extra for licensing. We went back to Integrative Systems with that problem, and they worked with us to spread that cost out over the next few years, and they took that risk on, and we're more committed to them for the next few years also. There's all kinds of consulting companies out there, but you want someone that you can work with on a daily basis, or whenever you have an issue, they're going to respond and work through that issue with you. Integrative Systems helped us implement our new technologies on budget and on time. The post-implementation relationship with Integrative Systems has been very good. They've followed up with us to see if there's any other needs. They were always looking to help us solve other problems that might be coming up other than the ones that they were working on currently, suggesting possible solutions to other systems or technology issues. Integrative Systems align my personal value system by, first, of integrity, doing what they say they will. Second, value. You always want to hire resources that give you value. And then trust. Having that trusted partner is important so that you can call them when needed. They've always been very honest, trustworthy, and dependable. I would definitely recommend Integrative Systems to other colleagues, other people in the same profession.